Hello friend, today we are seeing how to use logical operator in SQL. So let's start. Consider our table. Select star from employee. So this is our table. We are performing operation on this table. So logical operator are different type of logical operator. First operator is AND. AND operator we are using for given two condition, and if both the condition are true, then only it will generate the output. For example, consider we have to find the employee who work into IT department and salary is greater than 5,000. So let's start. The query is select star from employee where department equals to IT and salary. Here we are using AND operator, so we have to use AND word to join the two conditions, and salary is greater than 5,000. So if we run it, okay, the column is salary is not here, it's a sal, I guess. Yeah, it's a sal column. Okay, so you can see here output given department IT and salary is greater than 5,000, that is 6,000 and 8,000. So let's see query where we are using a first logical operator, that is AND. It is we are using to join two condition, like where department equals to IT and means second condition salary is greater than 5,000. So if both the condition are true, like department IT, it contain only IT department, and salary content more than 5,000, both the condition are given the output, like you can see here IT department and salary is 9,000 and 6,000, that is greater than 5,000. So this way AND operator works. Similarly, next operator is OR operator. OR operator is using for either one of the condition is true, it will generate the output. So for consider same query, like department equals to IT or salary is greater than 5,000 we are using. So here now we can see either department is IT or salary is greater than 5,000 if the department is changed. So you can see here IT department is here. If consider HR department, then salary is greater than 5,000. If we are considering the sales department, then salary is greater than 5,000. So it will be given the IT department as well as department other than IT, then that department salary should be greater than 5,000. So both of any condition is true, then it will be generated output. So that's it in AND and OR operation. Okay. Next operator is a not operator. Not operator we are using to the value we not required for that, like example select, we have to consider select star from employee where where not, we are considering the department where not dept equals to IT. It means that it will be showing the require where not department equals to IT, means rather than IT department it will be showing the result. So the result is, see here, here are the HR sales, HR sales, HR marketing, means not, means it will be not considering the department which is given into the condition. So like this way we can use the not condition. Okay. Next condition is a between condition. Between condition we are used to give the output in the range condition. For example, give the output where the employee getting salary from 4,000 to 7,000. So that condition we are using between condition, like select star from employee where salary between 4,000 and 7,000. So in between condition we are giving the range from starting a range and ending range. So in that case we are using between operator, and it will be given the values from the range. So you can see here 7,000, 6,000, 5,000, 7,000, 4,000. It will given the salary between the range of 4,000 and 7,000. So this way the between operator work. And the last logical operator is in operator. In operator we are using more than, if you have two values, so in that case it will be showing output. For example, select star from employee where salary. Now consider we required a salary which is only having employee 3,000, 4,000, and 6,000. So in that case we have to use in operator, and we have to pass the value in the bracket. For example, 3,000, 4,000, and only 6,000. So it will be generates only that value present into the in operator. So you can see the result. Okay, so you can see here 6,000, 6,000, 4,000, 3,000, 6,000, 4,000. Only the value we are given into the in condition. So that's the way all the logical operator it will be works. Okay, thank you.